Wade going forward as well. He's got the gift of power. Somehow he knows how to get runs. That's what makes him so dangerous. Rishabh Pant. That's why once he was in the squad, so much pressure on the team management sectors to get him in. It's a bit of a wild card. You can't say that he's definitely going to be a big star and get runs every game, but he's a wild card. Pant, who was out of the squad, came in. The moment there was an opportunity, just got him fast-tracked into the playing 11.
Just briefly deserting Rohit Sharma, but a good over this for India. 11 from it, 33 gone, 177 for 2.
OnePlus 7 Series, an Amazon special.